Okay, here is our layout with the kitchen. On line number 1, the bid includes the hood, this cabinet, this upper, this upper, this upper, this base cabinet, and the L-shaped island. Shaker paneling on the sides, and that includes installation. And this hood is shaped, this is the shape of the hood, like this. So we would have some open space in between the hood and these upper cabinets. And we've got glass glass here, and these cabinets would terminate at the ceiling. You can see on line number 4 would be modifying these cabinets. The cabinet cases would stay, just new fronts, new hinges, new drawer guides to go in there. And you would have to also include the price of the painter refinishing this. Line number 5 is the cost of replacing that, and that price includes the painting, just all new cabinets. So mind you, these are face frame style cabinets compared to the Euro or frameless style. We can do either, but there's just a difference between the two. So that's the L-shaped island, obviously. And then looking at line number 2, let the computer catch up here. Okay. So this estimate has the same upper cabinetry, same hood, only our island is a large rectangle with an overhang on the back. And you actually have more base cabinet doing this way. So just a big rectangle. This computer's being sluggish moving this around. So all these are the same as the L-shaped. It's just the shape of the island is different. Microwave in the front. If we're looking with our back to the pantry, our microwave is here, and then our base cabinets. The pantry is here. "84 inches of cabinets." That's our pantry cabinet. So let me know what you think. When I met out there, I believe we landed on a cabinet layout with this. I have not touched any of that. I know you were going to leave that and looking at possibly moving this around, but anyway, this is our layout. Let me know what you think of that, if we need to make any adjustments, and if you want to move forward, we can keep sharpening the pencil on this.